In this video, I will show you how to install APK in Windows 10 and 11 without emulator. To install APK files on Windows 10 or 11 without using an emulator, you can use the Windows subsystem for Android. To get started, go ahead and head over into the Task Manager. On the Task Manager, head over into the Performance tab and go ahead and look for the virtualization under CPU. If it's disabled, enable it in your BIOS settings. So to be able to enable virtual machine platform, go to turn Windows features on or off in the control panel. So go ahead and minimize or exit the task manager and head over into the control panel of your PC or laptop. Search for control panel in the start menu. Here, go ahead and search for turn Windows features on or off. Use the search feature at the top right of your screen to do that. Now in this pop-up, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and enable virtual machine platform and restart your PC. So you'll find that in between the TFTP client and Windows Hyper-Vision platform. So make sure you enable that and click OK. Now after that, you need to download and install WSA from the Microsoft Store or Amazon App Store. So open WSA settings and enable developer mode and go ahead and use tools like WSA Pacman or ADB commands to sideload APK files. Download WSA Pacman and install it. Drag and drop the APK file into WSA Pacman to install it. And once installed, you can find the app in your start menu and launch it like any other Windows application. And that is how you can basically install APK files on Windows 10 or 11 without using an emulator. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.